Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are leaving Jamaica, going back to the States in some frigid temperatures. Yeah, I think it's like 20 something degrees right now. But yeah, I'm ready. Just waiting on Reggie to pick me up from my home. Yeah, but if you're new to our channel, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and just share our channel with your friends and families. We just started this channel. It's about travel, adventure, life, or journey, just everything fun. Yeah, so we'll be heading to the airport shortly. Our flight is in the evening, and it's gonna be a long day. When I say a long day, I mean a long day, because we won't get back to the States until midnight, which is the next day, and we have a connecting flight as well. So see you guys at the airport later. So guys, it is time for us to leave. Daddy, you gonna miss me?
You already. I got my friend. I'll be a ballin'.
I love ya. Later. Love you. Mwah. See you next year. Bye, Janae.
Bye.
You know what? She doesn't want to look. So I am leaving, heading to the airport. I see that 25 dead. New York.
What
And
killed
a
them?
storm.
Which storm?
The storm that Elliott. The snowstorm. I saw this video where this guy clean off the windscreen.
Yeah.
And him just couldn't bother with the rest of the vehicle, and it's very high.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see people that might try to dig out them vehicle. I'm like, damn.
So which part of New York? Was it upstate or was it Manhattan?
More than likely upstate.
Oh. I see him like which country when I come from, America. You have to look before you cross, don't you?
You know, say people them expect the vehicle them to stop here.
Not,
Or make them cross, you know that?
not me.
That's the policy. You top and make the people them cross.
In a few them country them come from, this what them do called jaywalking. You get a ticket. Or you can get a ticket.
Well, isn't jaywalking on the highway or the expressway?
No, when you walk across the road and you walk on a pedestrian crossing, that's jaywalking. Just
Alright,
randomly.
I'm gonna have to go look
Google it.
that up.
What is
You wanna stop at
jaywalking?
Starbucks, baby? And get white
You have sense?
mocha frappuccino
Yeah, I got America.
with soy milk
Yeah,
and
okay.
whipped cream.
Okay, you're kidding. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna miss this warm weather.
Go again. What did you say, babe?
I'm gonna miss this warm weather.
Too bad.
Yeah, it is what it is.
You just gotta do what you gotta do.
Unfortunately. Wake up 3 a.m. again. Well, yeah. Good times. Somebody like a rainy time, see?
Good times.
Yes, them PS up one car when liquid.
Arriving at the Montego Bay Airport, otherwise known as Sangsters International Airport. There's a sign. I think we're gonna get some gas. We have a rental vehicle and it's supposed to be full, so just gonna stop at the gas station just to get a little bit of gas.
I'm assuming it's just one pump.
I guess. I mean,
Yeah,
whichever. Wow, that's crazy though.
Jamaica the best.
Like
No,
you have
people
one
really
attendant
come out
at
to
1, 2,
California.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8 pumps.
You're pointing with your finger, but you're not showing the audience.
I'm showing it through here.
The camera was like this, and you were doing this with your hand.
Okay, so I need that in my content. No worry yourself. Me know what me I do.
Yeah,
You say you must leave it up to me.
so
me
the
I
one
do
got,
me.
she got into the police, I'm guessing.
No,
So,
man.
babe, are you ready to go back home?
Not really, no.
No. Why you?
Because it's 17 degrees in where I'm going, and it's 90 degrees here, so that's why.
It's not 90. It's like 70 or 80 degrees
Yeah.
right now. But yeah, as I was saying, there's a storm. Or did I say it before? I don't know.
This is what $1,000 bill looks like,
You just rudely interrupted me, but yeah.
and this is the amount of gas I'm putting in, right?
Like you still don't have a face.
Oh, Jesus. Not do that.
You want content, right?
No, not in the case, the content.
You see what he's doing? You see what I'm do? The dirty money. They're pushing on my face.
It didn't touch your face though.
This is what I have to deal with.
So the person on the bill is called Michael Manley,
Hey,
one of the past prime ministers of Jamaica, dead and gone. And yes, he's a white Jamaican.
dead and gone.
Born white.
But I said deceased.
Did she put the pump in or did he put the pump in?
I have no idea. Like, yeah. I ain't gonna miss this slow system. That's a fact. But I still love Jamaica. That's a fact.
It's your country. I feel love it.
Just returned the car. That's it.
Yeah, so returning the car. Hopefully we can catch this flight and get back to problems. And you'll be more fine looking than I am right now.
Me? I don't know what you're talking about. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello, hello. Yeah.
So we're about to head into the departure section. We just brought back the car. But yeah, see you guys inside. So we're at the airport. Apparently, because of the storm Elliott, some flights were canceled, and it's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. And I just passed this family that was very frustrated, and upset, because they're saying that they could have stayed at their hotel or their resort instead of coming to the airport, only to hear that their flights are canceled and they're not able to get any additional flights out of the country. So you can see that there's a lot of people right there. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. But funny story. So this is my mother-in-law in a wheelchair. That she's not traveling with us, so I don't know how it's gonna go when we get to the counter. Pray for us. So here guys, so this is what you have to do. You have to go into a wheelchair in order to get through at the airport, else we wouldn't have made it because you have 2 flights that are canceled. So guys, we just got our boarding pass, but in order to do that, first we had to put Miss Campbell in a wheelchair. But then when we got closer, the attendant was like, they'll have to put me in a wheelchair, otherwise we wouldn't have gotten through. Listen, You have to know how to play the game, okay? Because it's crazy. Like we have I think 2 or 3 flights that were canceled, and a lot of people, they're frustrated. They're trying to get hotels for them. It's a mess because it's a holiday. Yesterday was Christmas, but they're celebrating it today, so it's a mess. But anyway, catch you guys on the flight. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
It's on you.
So what did I start for me, man?
Because I've been the one that's always in the video.
Wagwan people. Wanna fly? So we're sitting here because we have a 3-hour flight delay. Apparently there's been a lot of snowstorms happening stateside, so flights have been canceled. A lot of chaos, but you know, it is what it is. The key thing is to get home and get home safely, so they pushed us back, so we're not getting home until probably 1 a.m. or something. But just enjoying some foreign food in Jamaica.
Yeah, as Reggie said, oh, my ear is a mess. But I don't care right now. I just want to get home. But as Reggie said, we're here at the airport, just getting some food. Our flights is delayed big time. So our flight was supposed to leave at 4:50, and I think it's gonna leave sometime after 5. No, I'm sorry, 3:50. That's gonna leave sometime after 5. All right, see you later. So still at the airport. I'm a bit frustrated right now because I just checked the app and it says that my flight was canceled. But the messed up part about it is we have 2 check bags which has food inside of it. So now what's gonna happen to our bags, you know? So I'm walking to the gate to find out what has happened to our bags, or what do we need to do, because this is ridiculous. Like, why would you check our bags if you know that you're gonna cancel our flights? Like, it's crazy. And I'm trying not to get upset, so I'm just gonna get as much information as I possibly can, so keep you guys posted. I'm walking to gate 1, and it seems like there's a lot of people down there. Hope they're not mad like I am, but so this is a dilemma that I cannot deal with. When you're trying to find agents for a flight or an airline, they're telling you to go to the ticket or the gate rep, and there's no one there. So like, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to walk up and down this airport just to find someone to answer all my questions? American Airlines strolling in. Still at the airport, been here from I believe 1 p.m. and it's almost 6. Flight was delayed to, I guess we're gonna leave here around 6:51. But as I mentioned, my second flight is canceled, so they said they would put us up in a hotel in Baltimore. I just hope that my food that I have with me doesn't spoil. I have some raw food and some patties, but I hope it doesn't spoil. Alright, keep you guys updated. So we're finally in
Once again, folks, the overhead bin space all the way to the back of the aircraft is full. If you are on the way, finding your seat, you might want to utilize the space, the open space, once you walk in.
So we're finally in the plane. I'm not sure what time it's going to leave, probably sometime after 7. But again, our connecting flight is still cancelled. Not sure what's going to happen when we get to Baltimore.
Look to right and take well forward so we can flight 907 with service to Baltimore.
That we're having with Southwest that we've
Flight
had
attendants
troubles, and
serving
it's
our
not
bread,
because of
lunch,
them really,
training mayonnaise.
it's because of
My
the
name is
weather,
Daniel, we'll serve you up front.
the storm that
Shortly after takeoff,
we've
we'll
been
have a
having
flight
in the
service, so
US
check the menu in the seatbelt
that's
button
causing all these
selection.
flight delays. So
Passport
see
to
you guys
electronic
later.
devices.
So we're still in the plane. The flight is a little bumpy, so I'm just praying that I get to my destination safe. Yeah. Hope you can hear me. Finally arrived at BWI. Heading to the customs border right now. Then we'll be claiming our bags. Well, I think we'll be claiming our bags first. I'm not sure. But I got a text that they rebooked our flight for December 31st. Like, what? December 31st? Are you crazy? Anyway, I'm gonna see what we can do to get another flight. Probably not tonight, probably tomorrow. They'll definitely have to reimburse us. So it's just been, it has been a crazy day. How do you feel, babe?
Great. Perfect.
As you can see, it's not feeling great, but what are we gonna do about it? It's out of our control. We just have to find the best option for us right now. We're basically 5 hours drive from our home. The issue is we parked at the airport, so we have to get a transportation back to the airport in Hartford and then drive from there home. But we're back in the freezer. It's freezing cold. I literally had to buy a hoodie in Jamaica because I didn't have like a thick jacket. Because I had my scarf and I thought that, you know, I would have been on my connecting flight and I would just rush to my car, which is at the airport. That's not the case. But I'll keep you guys posted later. So guys, we are actually stuck at the airport until the next morning. The issue is we had to buy new tickets from another airport, from the Ronald Reagan Airport, which is like 50 minutes from here, so we'll have to take an Uber. It's just ridiculous. Even though we got back vouchers, we can only use it with that airline, Southwest, behind me. I mean, they've been pretty good so far. As I mentioned, it's because of the storm that we had for the past couple of days. But we had to buy new tickets. We have to take an Uber to the DC International Airport, and our flight is in the morning, so we'll have to sleep over at the airport. Fun times.
One of the craziest thing is the refund that they gave us for the second leg of the flight was $10.
$10.
$10 American dollars worth of refund.
They're saying we used up 90% of it, but I'm like, so you're telling me that 10% of the amount that we paid is just $10?
I guess,
get your maths correct.
I guess the way they're justifying it is by saying, oh, you're in the U.S., so therefore that's 90% of the way.
Yeah.
So here's your $10 and have a Coke and a smile.
Anyway, our Uber will be here in 2 minutes, so talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yeah. On to the next airport so we can get to where we need to get to. Thank you.
Thanks again.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, so I've been up since 4:30 a.m. yesterday in Jamaica. Now I'm stateside, still haven't slept yet. But anyway, so we're waiting on, right now it's, I don't know if you can see, right now it's 1:40 a.m. and I'm waiting for this flight here, which leaves at this time. So yeah, so I have another 5 hours to kill. So we're gonna walk around and try to find some place to sit. This airport seems, what is it? The Ronald Reagan National Airport in DC. Never been here before, but I don't see any seats around. So we're just gonna walk around and see if we find somewhere to sit and to spend another 5 hours until we get on another plane to go home. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going to work soon. Yeah. What number is it?
I'm tired. I literally had a kind of a new moment. So we were driving, guys, and like out of nowhere this truck came and just blew the horn really loud, and like my heart skipped a beat. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I literally cried for a few seconds. Yeah, I'm like, what else? I just want to get home safe. But we're at Ronald Reagan International Airport. Our flight is at 6:50 and we don't get to Hartford until I think 8:16. And then we have another like 50-minute drive from that airport until we get home. So long ass day. Yeah, tired. Do I look like a tired person too? So tired. We're about to check in for a flight, heading home. It's been a very long day. Finally at Bradley Airport. We are about to go get our bags and drive home. Listen, we've been at the airport since yesterday, and it's a new day. So yesterday was Monday, now it's Tuesday morning after 8. But it's been real. Yo, we are home.
We made it home, folks, after 2 days. Yeah, we've been traveling since what time yesterday?
Since 12 noon, and that was on Monday, and it's Tuesday. What time is it?
9:56 a.m.
Yeah, we hardly got any sleep. It was rough.
It took us less time to get home from Ghana in West Africa than it did to get here from Jamaica.
Yeah. But we made it home, finally. Thank God we made it home. There's a first time for everything. So what's the moral or the lesson from this?
Try your best never to take a connected flight.
That's it?
That's it for me. I mean, that was the basis of the whole situation, because because of the storm. Well, okay, so I would say one thing is if you can, never take a connecting flight, and the other thing is never travel during a holiday.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Because that's when weird things happen. There was a storm, I think, that affected the flight time as well.
My hands are tired.
So, wrap it up.
Yeah, for me, the takeaway is, I guess, be prepared for the unexpected. And
That's with life, though, no?
yeah, true. But don't let
Don't let it get to you.
yeah.
Just roll with the punches.
Just take them.
Yeah.
Anyway, we enjoyed ourselves with our family and friends, and it's not going to take that away from us. We have memories that we can look back on, so it was good. But I'll catch you guys later in the next episode. But remember to like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe and share with your family and friends. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.